Here's problem 1 from the 2005 AMC 8. Connie multiplies a number by 2 and gets 60 as her answer. However, she should have divided the number by 2 to get the correct answer. What is the correct answer? The choices are 7.5, 15, 30, 120, and 240. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. First, find the original number. Connie multiplied it by 2 and got 60. So the number times 2 equals 60, which means the number is 60 divided by 2, or 30. Now do what she should have done. Divide the number by 2. So 30 divided by 2 equals 15. So the correct answer is 15, which is choice B.